while during their free time. Okay, again, good morning, everyone. I'm going to share now my PowerPoint. So, our lesson this morning is I'm going to discuss with you operators. Why important that we need to know the different types of operators. Now, there are different types of operator because we wanted to make our web dynamic. Okay, we wanted to make our web dynamic and we wanted to make it more interactive. Part of the interactivity is uh, having problems, whether it is arithmetic or logical problems, that enables users to interact with the system and system replied to the user. Okay, so let's talk about wait lang, ito na. Let's talk about operator. That's why operator is very important to make our websites or web more dynamic. Okay, so let's begin. Let's define first what is operator. Operator is capable of manipulating value from an operand. Okay, in the mathematical expression, for example, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 4 and 2 is actually our operand. Okay, and the plus or add is our operator. Okay, so definitely operator is used to perform specific mathematical and logical computations in the operands. In other words, the operands or the operator operates the operand. Okay, so I will show you the example. If we are going to look at this mathematical expression, 4 plus 5 is equals to what? Is equals to 9. 4 and 5 is the operand. And the plus sign, the add, is our operator. So, in short, in Java, okay, in Java, the operator operates operand. Okay, the operator, okay, the operator operates the operand. Meaning to say, it helps gives solution to the expression, whether it is logical or whether it is mathematical. But since we are showing mathematical expressions such as 4 plus 5, this is a mathematical expression. A mathematical expression should always has its operator. Okay? Should always has its operator to operates an operand. Okay? So, in every expressions, mathematical expression, there should always operator. Okay, what are the types of operator? We have arithmetic operator, we have comparison operator, relational or logical operator. We also have assignment operator and conditional operators. Okay, let's try to discuss the first three. Okay, let's try to discuss the first three operator. Let's start it with the arithmetic operator. What is this arithmetic operator? The arithmetic operators such as add or addition it adds two operands such as A plus B. Okay, it adds A plus B, that's operand addition. Subtraction subtracts A minus B. Okay. Paki-mute muna ng microphone, ano. Thank you. Okay. Subtraction, the sign is a minus sign. Okay. So, A minus B is our expression. And then the operator is the minus sign. The multiplication, it multiplies both operands. Okay. Multiply both operands. And division, the sign of the division is a slash. Okay. Slash. It divides numerator and denominator. Okay. So B divided by A. B divided by A. So we will no longer be using yung common sign for division, but instead we will use the slash, okay, for division. And the modulus is the percent. Okay, modulus is the percent. Okay. Usually the outputs from the division takes the remainder of an integer from the division. That is what we call modulus. Okay, modulus. Meaning, what is the modulus of B? Modulus of A? Yan. What's the remainder? The remainder is actually a modulus. Next is an increment. What is increment? An increment increases integer. Okay, it increases integer. While decrement decreases integer. Okay, it decreases the value of integer, while increment, it increases the value of integer. Okay, so those are our basic operators in arithmetic. Let's try to have this example. Okay, gawa tayo ng sample. We will use all of them, or we will use all of the operators. Okay, let's go to Sublime Text. Okay, let's start it by declaring the variable first. Okay, let's start by declaring variable. Okay, our variable A is equals to 33. Okay, now take note that our variable should always end its up with semicolon. Okay, take note that our variable always ended up with semicolon. This is the variable, and the variable always begin with a small letter. And A is our variable name. Okay, we also have var B is equals to 18. Next is we have also var line break. Okay, line break. I am using the line break name. Okay. I am sorry. Kulang pa ako ng C. Var C is equals to the value of test. Okay. Tests and then semicolon. The variable line break is equals to BR. Okay, yeah. And then I will put semicolon on it. Next, let's start with the script. Let's start with the document. Right. A plus B is equals to, and then we will have to use the semicolon. So what will be our variable? Variable A, B. Okay. What is the variable C? What is the variable C? Is a test, meaning this is the value. Okay. The value of the expression that operates an operand of A plus B. Okay. This is our expression A plus B. Okay. Or lagyan natin ng space dito. Yan. Next, lagyan natin ng result is equals to A plus B. And then let's create document that write result. Okay. And then let's close. And then document that write. And then the line break. Meaning this is a space. Okay, next we're done with the addition. Okay, this is the addition operator. Let's move on to subtraction. Same. Let's copy paste this one. Okay, we will change the operand to minus. Okay, this one we will change the operand to minus. Okay, next we will copy paste this one. Let's move on to multiplication, division. Okay, we will just change the operator. Okay, we will change the operator to slash. Okay, next, let's go to the modulus. We will change the modulus to and modulus. Okay, next, we will copy this another one. Let's have another expression. Okay, our expression this time is we will use the A plus B plus C. Okay, plus C. Okay, take note that if you're using the variable name small letter, okay, small letter, you have to be very careful once you deploy your variable name inside of the instance should also be following the variable declarations. For example, if you declare the variable name to small letter inside of the instance when you call out, you still do the same with the variable declared. Okay? So, dito, same pa rin natin gagawin dito. Plus. Plus C. Yan. And then, since this is an increment, lagyan natin ng A is equals to A plus plus. Kasi increment, meaning it increases the value. Okay? Next, lagay tayo ng document.write. Okay, document.write. A plus. A plus plus is equals to, wait lang, parang may kulang. Yan. Yan. So, A plus plus is equals to, yan, increment, we are using increment, it increases value. Okay, so let's put a semicolon, and then let's put the result. Result is equals to A plus plus, I'm sorry, A plus plus, then document, that's right, and then the result, semicolon, then we will copy paste this one, the document that right, line break, and last is the decrement. If B is equals to, ano, B is equals to B decrement, yan. Okay, so we will copy this. Ito, palitan natin itong variable value na B minus. Okay, B minus minus because we declare the variable B for increment is B minus minus. Okay, or dash dash. And then the result is A increment. Yan. And then the result, line break. And then let's close. Okay. And then maglagay tayo ng P. Okay, maglagay tayo ng P. Set the variable. Okay, set the variables to different values and then try. Okay. Dash P. And then let's close. Okay? Let's save. Save muna natin. Ay, mali. Okay. Save as arithmetic. .html. So what will be the value of each of the expression? Let us see the result of what is the result of a plus b, a minus b, a modulus, a modulus plus a divided by b, a modulus of b, and then a plus b plus c, and then what is the value of a, or whether it increases the value or it decreases the value of the decrement b. Okay, let us try to check. Parang may kulang ako. Wait lang ha, kasi ayaw mag-display. Nag-declare ako ng script. Ay, mali. There is something wrong about my code. So, dapat, wait lang ha. Okay. I forgot to place this one. Ito dapat, okay, this should be placed inside of the body. So, dapat maglagay tayo ng script. Then, we will close this script dito sa baba. Okay. We will close the script here. Slash script. Okay. Let's click save. I forgot to fill in the script tag. So, ayan. So, dapat, since we embed the JavaScript inside of the body, we will place the script type inside of the body. And then, let's close it with the script type. Ayan, binasa na siya. So, Control S. Let's see how it will work. Ayan. So, the output will be like this. Let's try to look at this. Yan. So, try to look at our operators. If A plus B is equals to 51, A minus B is 15, A divided by B is 1.8, A modulus of B is 15, A plus B plus C is equals to 51 tests. The decrement is 33. Okay. The B decrement is 34. Okay. So, let's try to experiment. Let's go back to the notepad. Balikan natin si notepad. Okay. If we will change the variable value to 50. Okay. We will change this one to variable 50. And this one becomes 25. Okay. Control S. Okay. Okay. Control S lang tayo. So what will be our result for A plus B? Anyone? What will be our result for A plus B?
75, sir.
Okay, 75. For A minus B. For A minus B. What will be our value? A minus B. If A minus B is equals to 25. If 50 divided by 25, it becomes
2.
2. And A modulus of B is equals to 0.
0.
Okay? So in the expression of A plus B plus C is equals to 75. Okay? And then the increment is 50 and the decrement is 51. So let's try to look at the example if the same ang output niya. Okay, that's correct. 75, 25, 20, 75, 50, 51. Okay, sige. Pa-screenshot ng codes. Let's see. Let's go back to the codes. Okay. Sige, pa-screenshot. And then, the next one is this one. Asa ito nag-start ito? Line 36. So, pa-screenshot. Diyan. Sige, pa-screenshot. Okay, next. Tapos na. Tapos na screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move on to the next operator. Questions before I will move on?
None so far po.
Sige, let's move on to the comparison operator. Okay. Let's move to comparison operator. Now, comparison operator comparing two variables. Okay. Comparing two variables. Okay. This is the operator such as equal. Okay. When we say equal, there are two equal sign. Okay. Two equal sign. So, A is equal to B is not true. Okay. A is equal to B. The answer is true. If it's not true, okay, not equal meaning exclamation equal sign. Okay. It checks if the value of the two operands are equal or not. Okay, it compares the operands whether it is equal or not. Okay, ito yon. Exclamation, equal, this is not equal. We have also greater than, okay? The value of the left operand is greater than, okay? So the left, okay, the left A is greater than B, okay? A is greater than B, that is the expression. If less than, okay, if less than, the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. So meaning to say, A is less than B, okay? Less than B. Take note of the operator symbol. Next, greater than or equal to. The value of the left operand, okay, the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. So meaning to say that if A is greater than or equal to B, yan. Okay, next, less than or equal to, meaning that the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand, meaning if A is less than equal to B, okay, if A is less than or equal to B, that's the expression, okay. So in less than, the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the operand to the right, okay. That's the comparison operator. Okay, let's try with example. Sample tayo. Let's move on to the sublime text. Let's copy paste this one. Control N, Control V. Okay. Okay, let's declare a variable. A is equals to 10. Okay. Next, another one. Let's use the variable B is equals to 20. And then, let's use the variable line break. Okay. Variable line break is equals to close BR. Yan. Then let's start with the document. That's right. What is inside is the station. Tapos parenthesis A equal to B. Okay. And then equals to, and then let's put a space. Yan. Then let's end it up with semicolon. Okay. Or we will put a space on this area. Yan. Para klaro. Okay. Next, let's put a result is equals to A is equal to B. And then semicolon. Next is document write result. Okay, let's close. And then document write for line break. Okay. See, wait lang ha. Okay. Next, let's copy paste this one. The next operator is the not equal. Okay. So the not equal, I should say greater than. Let's start it with greater than. Wait lang ha. Less than. Let's start with less than. Okay. Dito tayo sa document that write. Yan. If A is less than to B. Okay. Less than to B. So we will change this one to less than. Okay. Next, let's go to greater than. Palitan lang natin to. We will change this one to greater than. Yan. Okay, nakasunod.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Let's move on to not equal. Okay. Gawa tayo ng not equal. Okay. Let's start with document. That right. Okay. That's right. A is not equal to. Okay. A is not equal to B. Yan. Not equal to B. Lagyan natin ng space. Not equal to B. And let's close the parenthesis. Yan. And then, let's put an equal sign. Yan. To get the results. Next is result. Okay. Result is equals to A is not equal to not equal to B. Then we will copy paste this result. Yeah. Okay. Next is greater than equal to. Let's move to greater than equal to. Okay. Let's copy these expressions. Okay. And then we will change the expression to this one. Okay. A is equals to B. Okay, yan. So the same. Palitan natin to. Is equal to. Yan. So that is an example of greater than equal to. Okay. Greater than equal to. Okay. Try to look at the expression, ha. A is greater than equal to B. Okay. A is greater than equal to B. Next, less than. Let's go to less than or equal to. Okay. Less than or equal to. Then we will copy paste this expression. Okay. We will change the expression to less than. Ito. Yan. We will change the expression to yan. Kasi nga we are using the less than or equal to. Okay, A is less than equal to B. Kanina is greater than A is greater than equal to